Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting Bluetooth visible and ready. Turn on Bluetooth on both devices, then make the phone discoverable and enable Bluetooth tethering in its settings. On the laptop, open the Bluetooth settings panel and make sure drivers are current. This prevents pairing failures. Once done, disable any other tethering or mobile hotspot features that could confuse network routing, because you want a single, direct Bluetooth PAN connection between phone and laptop. Pair the laptop and phone now. Accept the PIN prompt and confirm the code on both devices so the trust is established. Next, in the laptop's Bluetooth device list, choose Services or Network Access, then connect to the phone's Personal Area Network, PAN, or Internet Sharing Service. Configure the network adapter properties so the Bluetooth interface gets an appropriate metric or priority, because that tells the OS to route internet traffic over the Bluetooth link rather than an inactive adapter. Finish by testing connectivity. Open a web page or run a ping to confirm packets traverse the Bluetooth PAN. If you don't get internet, first toggle Bluetooth tethering on the phone and repair the devices. Many issues resolve on a fresh pairing. Make sure signal strength and phone battery are adequate, and check that your firewall permits outbound traffic on the new Bluetooth network profile. If problems persist, update drivers and reboot both devices to clear lingering state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.